We are the students from Sir Bhansiji Polytechnic Institute, Bhavnagar. Our country, India, is a predominantly agricultural nation with over 60% of its land area being set aside for agricultural activities. In India, the agricultural sector employs around 15 crore people. As a result, it is a very crucial part for our nation. For RoboFest 3.0, our group has created an agricultural rover to help farmers and other workers with their routine energy draining activities such as removal of weeds, tilling land, sowing seeds, spraying pesticides, cutting grass, harvesting crops, etc. Our rover's grand finale objectives are to Number 1. Plant seeds at the farmer's specified distance. Number 2. Use computer vision and artificial intelligence to identify and eliminate various types of weeds. Number 3. Determine which crops needs to be harvested and cut the ripened portions. Our main objectives at software level are Number 1. Autonomous navigation in unknown environment. Number 2. Detection of weeds. Number 3. Obstacle avoidance. And number 4. Detection of ripened crops. To achieve these objectives, we have used data from various sensors like Lidar to create a 2D map of the environment, GPS to track live location of the rover, IMU to measure the distance and acceleration of the rover. The algorithms used by us are Number 1. Simultaneous localization and mapping for the rover to autonomously navigate in an unknown environment. Number 2. Image segmentation for detecting weeds to be removed. Number 3. GPS waypoint navigation, which uses GPS data to enhance the strength of localization algorithm. Number 4. 2D to 3D mapping of image for the robotic arm mechanism to get target vector of actual object that is to be removed from the 2D coordinates given by segmentation algorithm. Our main objectives at hardware level are Number 1. Design robotic arm for harvesting. Number 2. Sewing mechanism at the bottom of the rover. Number 3. Chases designed for movement of rover in 4-inch grass and 45-degree inclined. To achieve these objectives, we have used various components like motor to move robot smoothly, metal gate to keep long-lasting life of motor, servo motor to rotate 180 degree. The detailed description of the components is as follows. Number 1. Motor. The rover would be using B-grade Johnson motor with speed of 100 rpm and high torque, which would mean low speed. It requires 12-volt power to generate 36 kg centimeter small torque. The maximum load current is 900 mA. The shaft diameter is 6 mm and length is 30 mm. The height is approximately 165 gram. Number 2. Battery. Type of battery used by us is lithium-ion battery. This battery gives 2000 mAh of power. The batteries are grouped together in total 5 battery pack consisting 3 lithium-ion cells in each pack. Number 3. Motor driver. We are using double BTS 7960 43 ampere H-bridge high power stepper motor driver module to control the Johnson motors, which is considered a high quality driver by the experts. It is double bridge motor driver. Number 4. Camera. We are using official Raspberry Pi No IR camera. The camera module 2 Pi No IR has a Sony IMX219 8 megapixel sensor. It does not employ an infrared filter. The camera works with all models of Raspberry Pi that have a CSI connector. It can be accessed through Leap Camera and the Leap Camera based Pi Camera 2 Python library beta. Number 5. Raspberry Pi. We are using Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. It is having 8 GB RAM. It has Broadcom BCM 2711 quad-core Cortex A72. It provides different input-output ports like 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz IEEE 802.11 AC Wireless Bluetooth 5.0 BLE, Gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports. Raspberry Pi standard 40-pin GPIO header which is fully backwards compatible with previous boards, to micro HDMI ports, to LAN, MIPI, DSI and CSI DisplayPort, 4-pole stereo audio and composite video port. Number 6. 775 motor. We are using 775 high RPM motor for cutting crops. It has speed of 10,000 RPM. Number 7. Servo motor. We are using MG996R servo motor. This motor has small torque of 9.4 kg/cm at 4.8 volt and 11 kg/cm at 6 volt. The operating speed of this motor is 0.17 second per 60 degree and 0.14 second per 60 degree. It has double ball bearing design. It is used in metal gear so we can use it for heavy target. Number 8. Wheels. We are using 125 mm high grip wheels. It has a very strong grip made up of rubber. Its dimensions are height 12.5 cm, width 6 cm. Other components include: Number 1. PVC pipe. We are using PVC pipe for chassis design of rover. Diameter would be of 1 inch. Number 2. PVC elbow. 90 degree per 45 degree elbow would be used for chassis. Number 3. Aluminium pipe. 1x1 aluminium box pipe would be used for chassis design. Number 4. Jason jointers. 90 degree Jason jointers would be used for connecting aluminium pipes. 16 pieces would